Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today we're taking a look at the ASUS AX1800 Dual Band router, which is ASUS's entry-level Wi-Fi 6 router. Let's check it out in this video. This is the RT AX53U, and as I had said earlier, is their new budget offering. Design-wise, it's typical router styling, quality is good, we have the ASUS logo here, these look to be vents on both sides, passively cooled. We have a line of LEDs in front for power, connected LAN, internet, 2.4 and 5 GHz bands, and USB. The bottom has rubber feet and we have provisions to mount the router onto a wall. The antennas can be swiveled for optimum signal. On the back, we have a power switch, DC power port, WPS, a USB 2.0 port, a 1 gigabit WAN port for internet, and 3 1 gig client Ethernet ports. Also provided in the box is an Ethernet cable and a power adapter. Wireless 2.4 GHz on Wi-Fi 6 has a max bandwidth of 574 Mbps and we get 1201 Mbps on 5 GHz. The USB port is used for features like USB file sharing, printer sharing, etc. Wi-Fi features supported are OFDMA, MU, MIMO, beamforming and WPA3. Now for the software. We have access to the ASUS WRT software. We have options like a speed limiter, which is important as some users at home can hog the entire bandwidth, VPN server, ASUS DDNS, USB file sharing, and more. We have a new AI network protection from Trend Micro, which seems to be the trend nowadays. They do say it's lifetime free for security updates. The AI protection is supposed to have an enterprise grade firewall. Parental controls, it has an option to set the times when internet access will be available for select Wi-Fi devices. Content filtering doesn't seem to be available here. We also have an app which is used for initial setup and allows changing settings remotely. Performance is decent, we get most of the bandwidth available. If you have a Wi-Fi 6 compatible device, you can take most advantage of this router. Other features are dual WAN with WAN aggregation, where you can connect two LAN connections from your internet provider to a WAN and LAN port to get better bandwidth. USB file sharing with time machine feature, where you can have a drive attached and backups can be made to the drive at scheduled intervals. USB 4G modem support for connectivity backup. If you have one of those Airtel or Jio USB dongles, it can be used as a backup internet source. Guest Wi-Fi internet speed limiter, using which you can restrict the speed on guest devices. Most new ASUS routers support the mesh feature, which allows connecting different ASUS routers, can be different models, to create a mesh network. This router also supports Amazon Alexa, which allows us to control the router via voice for specific features like turn on off guest network, update firmware, pause the internet, etc. The RT AX53U is a great budget router by ASUS which has both Wi-Fi 6 and WPA3 security available. The router is stable and has a plethora of features. The AI protection is a plus, as this would prevent opening up web pages with malware on them. Even though this is a budget offering, it's a bit more expensive than its competitors, but the robust software does justify its cost. We have only 3 LAN ports on the back. We generally have at least 4 on routers this size. Design is standard, looks like most routers at this price point. Performance is good, not the fastest. So what do you guys think? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.